This 2023 Winnebago Minnie 2801 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 32 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 10, water heater, stovetop burner, oven, air conditioning, skylight, smoke detector, awning, spare tire kit, TV, DVD player, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Winnebago Minnie 2801 BHS is 6,720 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.